Ano, tara na. We're going to the boat hopping at our resort. We're in a rush. Go, Spider-Man! Come on!
White sand. Oh, di na ko alam sakay.
Ano man yan?
Kaya.
Kaya ka. Saan nga yun, Mami J? Sa Banana Beach na? Sa Tagum. Wow! We are going for boat hopping. Hello everyone. Ay, sorry, ma'am. Ay, hindi, nagdala tayo ng tubig. Wala tayong baso, Mami J.
Hindi man ito sa atin.
Ay, di ba?
Tinulungan ko lang yung ano.
Ay, okay.
Tita ni Grace.
Hello, good morning. Hello po. Thank you.
Joseph.
Lolo ha.
Hold on.
Muna kayo may nani rin, bukod ka ng para. Dagat ng ilo.
Thank you. Ha?
Ang mga dagaton na ni. Mawala ka ni. Paano yung balot man? Paano?
Kita lang tato ni mo.
Tawas kanan, kanan.
Dali.
Ay, kuya, ay dito ka kay Kuya Ken. Kuya Ken.
Ganyan ha, ganyan.
Ganyan lang.
Okay.
Ulo lang. Move the head lang.
1, 2, 3, 4. Another pose, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hindi pa tapos. Wait lang.
Apa siya?
So many phones.
Wait lang.
Sarang hey.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ulit, ulo mo.
One more.
Wait.
Siyempre kasama ang tour guide. Okay. Okay, so meron na akong short orientation po para sa inyo dapat simple start up everything store. Good morning, ma'am, sir. I'm Sol Guesma, certified tour guide of Samal Island Hopping. Okay. Number 1, if you don't know how to swim, please wear life vest for the safety of the swimmer or the non-swimmer. Okay, number 2, do not throw your garbage because we have garbage on the side of the boat. Okay. Number 3, sino juri na utang lang sa club dapat lang ina siya lang especially diri sa nose market ano yung una okay ra tanaw ra
Kuya!
brother yeah second I'm the eldest yeah that's the second
Keringan. Ay di anak utang niya.
hindi mo kami sakop ng Davao meron kami sariling mayor Motabo sir, Motabo. Yung highest mountain.
Highest mountain. Highest mountain.
Sa likod.
Saman.
Yung pinuntahan natin na may may playground sa gitna. Azalea.
Azalea, ay okay. Alam mo na.
Dinaanan natin Discovery, Azalea.
shark.
Baby shark.
Baby shark.
Baby shark. Baby shark.
Baby shark. Yay! Happy Junmin!
Daddy shark.
Bayan na tunapot mo. Sana first, ano natin? Stop. First stop na to ba? Dugay-dugay lagi.
Ano yata sa island? Malikot.
Ang talikod. Ako kayo, Daily.
Pahingi, tubig. Pahingi ng tubig, Daddy.
Ayun na.
Hello, Junmin! We're in the boat! Ah. Wowie! Going back to Honolulu just to get back. Nawi Wowie! Nawi Wowie! Ah! Daddy! Layo kayo! Junrin! Ayaw! Bantay!
Test dito, Ricky.
Ayaw ba, Junrin?
Ayun, nagdana.
Ah.
Paggawas, nagdana. Yung nagdana. Pagkano?
Wow. We're approaching a different island.
Tapos ang tapat niya, Oraya.
Ay, kanang kauraya. Pangit na magkaya naman yan naman diya.
Oraya. Wala na sila mga
Daddy si Junrin.
Pinpin lang. Uraya. Ay, ang tapat ni kang uraya kang kuwan di ay. Iloyar.
Tapos sa tapat sa bigas, sa Tineo.
Ana, bila nag-organize bila sa uraya. Dapat yun na kayo ng ulit dia. Wah, patmas ko. Patmas ko. Katulay mga kuwan ba?
After this today, if you have a walk to the lost the sea, ha? In Tagalog, pagkitanggal naman yung ano nyo, yung mga kailangan, mga mahulog pa, mga specific for ma'am. Sir, specific for the supporting policy. Sir, ma'am, we have a campfire here.
Oh, be careful na.
What's eat biscuit?
Okay, I'll bring in the bag. It's in the boat. Saan yung upuan, Mami Jane? Oh, there's a chair there?
Dalawa. Dalawa.
Let's go.
Then makita mo lahat.
Hello!
Hi. Hindi ka natakot?
May bagong best friend na si Papa. Mami Jane.
Dito kami magtayo ng bahay lang.
Ay, wow. May bagong best friend na si Papa.
Kaya nga.
Naitsubara ka na, Mami Jane.
Ano nga sila dito? Nagpicture-picture. Palitan sila eh.
Ano yung sabi na dalhin daw ang balwabo ay iwan.
Ay?
Dalhin ang balwabo.
Wow!
Dinala ko may jacket.
Akala ko may pagkain dito, island lang pala to.
Hindi, doon na daw. I-pick upin na natin. Tapos nabuto tayo kakain.
Ah, choo-choo! Like a choo-choo train. Like a choo-choo train. He likes Thomas and Train. He likes Peppa Pig also. Peppa
No, sir, because they have brake water. No bad weather. And electricity, the power is solar.
Side view. Side view na.
Feed like this.
Ma'am, tanaw ma'am. Nakabidyo tayo ha.
No slipper or wet slipper?
It's up to you. If you want to.
This is sand.
Yeah. It's good. No slipper.
We are
And talikod.
talikod. Bakit talikod? Here's the place. So beautiful. It's so blue and white sand. Yeah.
Grabe ka, ganda ng ng tubig mo, clear clear.
Blue na.
An hour pa natin.
Hello. Yeah.
Sa pa.
He just dropped it. Yeah.
Good throw. Yay!
Yay. He wants to swim again. Hello.
Shooting each other.
Shooting each
Yeah.
Wow, what's that now? It's a stone. Wow. Ciao. Yeah.
There's a sand castle. Yeah.
Hindi natin butahan sila. Ano yan?
Ano, hermit crab.
Hermit crab. Hindi ba yan ang agat lagi?
Tara, nangatkat na sila.
It's still a crab.
Oh, got bubbles. Bubble.
Hey, snorkel for
Oh, ako video sa inyo. Hoy, bakit mo tinis?
Ayan.
Ah, di ay. Alawayan daw dati.
Dagan ng ritual.
Para makita mo ang kurang na ritual. Sauso lang.
Just hold on to kuya daddy ha.
Wala pa nung gamitin. Basta mag-misay lang. Stay lang sa taas. No?
Iangat pa sir.
Ba't parang wala?
Doon pa na, sir.
Alat. Salty. Alat ang dagat dito. Salty.
Daddy, ay, tito, oh, tito.
Balik ka sa ma'am, balik lang utang itong live fish.
Ayaw.
Hindi yung bata niya. Ano yung live fish?
Ay lang kay. Mahirap na. Hindi pa naman kami marunong lumangoy.
Daddy? Asan ka na?
I will try lang. Eh, di mo ako ba?
Kaya man, hindi. Kabalo mo ka mo lang.
No.
I want to go swimming.
Ah, sige, swim. Sige.
Okay, Daddy?
Look, daddy. Oh.
I want daddy.
Ay, ang snorkel ni mo ipatindog
I
doy.
want to swim.
Pantindog daw, Daddy.
Daddy. I need to swim.
Coming back na. Oh, finish na. Oh, finish. They're finished na. Daddy, they're finished na. Daddy. Ay!
I don't splash me.
Don't splash me.
Okay.
Okay, Daddy. Oh, Tito's finish na. Oh. Daddy, Tito's finish.
Gumay man.
I want Tito.
Tito will come back na. Oh, coming up na. Finish na.
Isi, mami.
Sige na, Daddy. Ano naman?
Tadlo ka ni. Gamay mo ganing ano.
Kuya, pa-support.
Ah, Tito.
Okay. Tito is coming.
I want to swim together with Tita.
Hala. Idamay pa ko.
Babot mami.
Ay. Naka-cellphone, manggod
With
ko.
Tito. Swim together with Tito.
Ay gani.
I want Tito.
Dito kaya. Wala man.
Celok.
Yeah. Tito.
Tito, ay kuya. Dyan lang, dyan sa stairs.
Hawak niya.
Dyan lang daw. Oh, hawak lang siya, kuya.
Sir, dire sir, nagalagay ko lang sir.
Di mo na maano.
Dyan lang sa stairs. Oh. Okay, hold lang ha.
Okay, enough.
Oh, that's it.
Just now he don't dare, no? He dare.
Hindi pa na ano si Sanmay. It's not...
No, he dare to go down already.
Pisi.
Dala na sa car.
Daddy, si John Rain. Mami Jane.
Okay, tawag na. Tawag.
Mahal. Pirata. Pirate.
Wow. So fast.
Ha?
Nasa baba.
O, nalagay daw. Nakakita na sa Sanrio.
Naman sa baba. Yeah, you're floating.
Nakita mo din. Try floating.
Madlok mo sa kaning vest. Di ko mo.
Lari.
Kumari pero takot.
Sige, floating.
Tama na, mahal. Ayun na.
Hindi mo subok mo.
Hanggang dyan lang ang takot.
Kaya nga. Hanggang dyan lang masya. May balik ko takot.
Oh, sige, bili na mo.
Bili na.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. They're leaving us na. Just finished drinking and we're going to the last island.
Pabukid na ba yung buka?
Oh, asa tong girintan snorkel? Snorkel eh.
Oo.
Patul ka dikya dyan, maparya ka kay ano, Aspen Curtis.
Masa man imong kuhan? Snorkel mo.
I thought he's gonna stream, that's why I did not take off. I don't know. But
Ikaw pa lang.
we woke up at 5. Someone's sleeping.
Vlogging.
Going home. Why are we going to the resort? Junren is still sleeping. Azela? Azela? Ay, yung kondo? Ah.
What fortune lies beyond the stars? Those dazzling heights too fast to climb. I got so high to fall so far, but I found heaven as love swept low. My heart beating, my soul breathing.
Dear God, in the center of our lives, I humbly seek your blessing to marry your daughter.
Yes, of course. But go back, I will tell you something. Okay, more to tell you. I haven't paid your attention to you.
Okay. From the moment our lives, our paths met, my life has changed and it became brighter, lighter, less stressed, blessed, and filled with purpose. You are my safest place, my greatest joy, and I wish to go with you through every season, hand in hand. I will choose you today and always. Will you marry me?
Finally here at your feet again. Everything I am, reaching out, I see it. I'm sweeping up in your love again, and my soul is on the wings of forever. Finally here at your feet again. Everything I am, reaching out, I surrender.
Wala siya. Ang kanta lang. Sige, ano na lang. Something from Regine na lang. Ay! Ako. Oh, kailan na lang. Pagulabog sa mga nangakuan. Alright, so this song, I would like to dedicate this song to our newly engaged couple. Ay, sana all. Madi! Asa naman Madi? Awa Madi. Kita diri, padungdung lang sa ta. Alright, so another song here. Ay, para po sa mga gusto kong mag-question. Ay, shout out na po pala. Shout out to What If? Noah, Dato Mo,
Hindi na alam mong song.
Sana hindi na kayo mag-away-away dahil sa Yossi at Ginoo ko. Balik na ito sa gawas, kay wala ko mayatay baligya diri. Ayan, sige, sige.
That's the lights.
Alright, so once again, this song, next song, dedicated to our newly engaged couple. Huwag mo yan naglakamang-hamang. Yan na, magkalit naman. Kumalag sa kanta. Ay, ayun. Hi po. Yan. Congratulations. May pakamang. Yan. Kumadi. Well. Times get rough, and your dreams just fall apart. And sometimes you think you can't go on. This true one.
I chose the song. I think it's not the era, so they cannot sing, right?
Oh yeah, what song did
Right
they?
here waiting.
Oh,
You know that song?
I know that song.
Yeah.
Maybe
Last
they
time.
don't know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
They did not practice.
Because that was the song I listened growing up.
Ah, okay.
I hear the beat. It's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over. No room to rest. My heart's dancing. It's a love conquest. Oh, the melody. It's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade.